Australia is committed to a 43% emission reduction by 2030. Now, there's a couple of different ways we can do this. The first way is renewable energy. We have to avoid emitting as much carbon dioxide that we currently are into the atmosphere. But even if we do this, we have a massive legacy load of carbon dioxide already up there that's heating the atmosphere and will continue to heat it for a period of time. We have to work out ways in which we can draw that back down. Essentially, we have to reverse mine that carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. We can do this through an industry called carbon farming, which consists of a number of different methodologies that aim to regenerate and restore all of our ecosystems back to full health. There are now multiple carbon projects running across Australia. And as part of my job, I go along and help monitor the land, but also help the farmers transition from conventional methods into ones that are more regenerative. So we're on one of our carbon projects in North Queensland. We're using the human-induced regeneration carbon methodology. I brought Sam here, who's an ecologist. We're looking at the satellite imagery that we've got here of the different vegetation types and whether they're regenerating, not regenerating, or we're basically ground truthing this satellite imagery. So what we're looking for are trees about 2 meters in height, and we'll calculate the carbon over a 25-year period that can be sequestered in that tree. This meets the definition of human-induced regeneration. This is exactly what we're looking for. These trees, 1 to 2 meters in height, they've been suppressed by cattle. You can see the branches have been chewed. So if you lift that suppression, this whole newly grown forest will eventually turn into full forest over a 25-year period. And then we calculate the amount of carbon that that tree can sequester over the length of the project and trade those as credits on the market for a profit. To make your carbon project eligible, you have to show newness or additionality, which means you have to do something additional to what you were doing before. That could be new fencing infrastructure to split paddocks, new watering points to help spread the grazing pressure, planned grazing such as destocking, restocking in dry season versus wet season. There's lots of different things that you can do to show that newness and additionality, and it should work in with your business model. It should help to improve your property value overall, and also should improve agricultural productivity. Yes, this is everything that we're trying to achieve in the carbon project. We're trying to get that balance of rewilding, regeneration, and cattle in the mix to farm more regeneratively and to lift that suppression, achieve regeneration using the compliance methods that the government sets, and we manage this country more effectively moving forward.